Hello, my name is Brock Freeman. I'm the Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of Kirkland Capital Group.
Hello, I'm Chris Carsley, the Chief Investment Officer and co-founder of Kirkland Capital Group.
Whether you arrived here from seeing our educational content, much of it focused on the opportunity of private alternative investments, as well as understanding the risk, or because one of our family of investors referred you to us, we welcome you.
We expect that you have decided that principal preservation, which is preserving what you've already worked to build, and long-term passive investment income is important to you. This approach is the basis of Build and Fortify Your Wealth. It's the reason we established KCG in 2019 and started the Kirkland Income Fund. It's the foundation of each investment opportunity we offer.
Put it this way, if you are here for high risk, long shots, I don't think we're the right group for you.
Exactly. Let's give you some background about us and the Kirkland investment approach. Brock?
Through my background and network in real estate finance, I discovered a need for commercial real estate short-term bridge loans under $1 million, what we call microbalance loans. Most banks do not make short-term real estate loans, and most non-bank lenders will not consider microbalance loans due to their extensive manual processes. In addition to underwriting and due diligence, I have a finance technology background, including building the first web-based non-bank lender mortgage system in the industry. Using tech to increase efficiency is part of my DNA.
In the investment management career that I've had, and even for my own investment, attaining steady high returns while controlling risk was the goal. When Brock brought this opportunity to me, I applied the same deep due diligence and rigor I apply to numerous investment fund ideas that are brought to me. This opportunity, which both Brock and I are heavily invested in, the Kirkland Income Fund, has a track record of steady double-digit returns and the principal preservation that is so desired among investors today.
Chris and I found we shared some important values as well. Values we have built into KCG, being investor focused, that is, aligned with you as an investor with transparency to submitting to auditing our fees, expenses, operations, and compliance. We also like that together with our investors, we have a positive social and environmental impact. From loans that contribute to the rehabilitation of middle income affordable housing for vital community members such as teachers, nurses, and first responders, to backing minority borrowers and those working to provide housing and commercial property improvements in underserved neighborhoods, and building their own family's wealth.
This set of values, principal preservation, and high yield long term passive investment income will continue to provide the foundation of the investment opportunities we offer, both in debt and equity. It is what attracted those already in the Kirkland investor family. If you also want to build and fortify your wealth, we invite you to become part of the Kirkland investor family.